Bon appetit for me. Yes, you see, I cannot. Ten points for me. Hi everyone, welcome to Mike and Lera food channel. Hope guys you're having a nice day. Today on our menu, brushwood cookies. Ingredients you will find in the description below. And guys, don't forget to press like for this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance. Let's begin. Привет всем! Добро пожаловать на канал Mike and Lera food channel. Желаю всем отличного дня. Сегодня у нас в меню хрустящее печенье Хворост. Ингредиенты вы найдете в описании под этим видео. И, ребят, не забудьте поставить лайк этому видео и подписаться на наш канал. Давайте готовить! Finally, I can try. Tea with lemon. Just look at this. It smells incredible. Cheers. Bon appetit for me. Okay. Хворост. Cookies from childhood. It's really the best flavor from childhood, guys. Okay, let's try. Which one? Which one is looking at me? Okay, this one. Yes. It's what I wanted. Exactly. So easy to make this. biscuits. So easy to make. And so much delight. Just look at this, how they are inside, fluffy, like holes even. It's like this. You see? Amazing. Just amazing. So tasty. You know, this they are so special. I love it. I love it because they combine this fluffiness and crunchiness just all together. They are fluffy and crunchy at the same time, in the same time. It's very delicious. Especially with a cup of tea, it's a perfect. They're really so fluffy. You cannot stop. I think there is only one minus here. You don't know how to stop eat these cookies. I cannot. Amazing. I'm really enjoying. Last time I ate maybe these biscuits many years ago. I don't remember when, but it was many years ago. And just now finally I cooked it. And it doesn't take time. With tea, perfect. You should try this with me. Yes, look at this, it's breathing. Flavor of childhood. Crunchy and fluffy at the same time. You don't know how to stop eating this. It's amazing. Incredible flavor. And it's so nice, so fresh when it's just cooked. But not hot, just you let it a little bit cool down. Sugar, icing sugar on top. The best option. Like this to eat. And enjoy. Just enjoy. And forget the world. 5. No. 10 points for me. Guys, thank you for watching, for being with us. Subscribe our channel, press like for this video, and stay with us. See you next time. Bye.